The importance of music education. Music education is a transformative force that shapes young minds, fosters creativity, and cultivates a lifelong appreciation for the arts. It empowers students to express themselves, develop discipline, and unlock their full potential. The benefits of music education. Number 1. Improved cognitive skills. Music training enhances brain development, improving memory, concentration, and problem-solving abilities. Number 2. Increased creativity. Engaging in music fosters creative thinking, allowing students to explore new ideas and express themselves uniquely. Number 3. Enhanced emotional well-being. Music education can reduce stress, boost mood, and foster emotional intelligence, supporting overall mental health. Number 4. Stronger discipline and perseverance. The process of learning an instrument or mastering a musical piece instills valuable life skills like discipline and perseverance. Developing musical skills and creativity. Music education fosters the development of fundamental musical skills, including reading notation, playing instruments, and understanding music theory. Students also cultivate their creativity through improvisation, composition, and exploring diverse musical genres. By nurturing these abilities, music education empowers students to express themselves artistically, think critically about music, and appreciate the beauty and complexity of this universal language. Enhancing academic performance. Cognitive development. Studies show that learning music can enhance cognitive abilities like memory, attention, and problem-solving skills, which can lead to better academic performance across subjects. Language skills. Music education has been linked to improved language processing and reading comprehension, as it engages the brain's language centers and helps students better understand patterns and structures. Spatial temporal reasoning. Playing an instrument requires spatial temporal reasoning, which can transfer to improved performance in math and science courses that rely on the ability to visualize and manipulate objects in one's mind. Discipline and focus. The dedicated practice and self-discipline required in music education can help students develop greater focus and concentration, which are essential skills for academic success. Building confidence and self-expression. Musical performance. Performing music in front of an audience helps build confidence and the ability to express oneself. It's a powerful way for students to showcase their talents and find their unique voice. Songwriting. Encouraging students to compose their own music nurtures their creativity and allows them to express personal thoughts and emotions through lyrics and melodies. Public speaking. Music education often involves presentations, speeches, and other public speaking opportunities, which help students develop communication skills and the confidence to share their ideas. Fostering teamwork and collaboration. Ensemble playing. Students learn to harmonize and synchronize their musical contributions. Group improvisation. Developing the skills to spontaneously create music together. Band, orchestra, choir, guitar performances. Music education fosters essential teamwork and collaboration skills. Students learn to listen to and support each other, blending their individual talents to create something greater than the sum of its parts. This prepares them for successful collaboration in all areas of life. Integrating music into the curriculum. Incorporating music into the core curriculum can unlock a world of benefits for students. By weaving music education throughout subjects like math, language arts, and history, students develop well-rounded skills and a deeper appreciation for the arts. Enhances cognitive development. Studies show that music training strengthens neural pathways, improving problem-solving, spatial temporal reasoning, and language skills. Boosts academic performance. Students involved in music education demonstrate higher test scores, better grades, and increased graduation rates compared to their non-musical peers. Fosters creativity and innovation. Combining music with core subjects encourages students to think outside the box, explore new ideas, and approach challenges from fresh perspectives. By making music an integral part of the curriculum, schools can unlock the transformative power of the arts and inspire the next generation of musicians, composers, and creative thinkers. Overcoming challenges in music education. Music education faces various challenges, such as limited funding, lack of access in underprivileged communities, and outdated curriculum. Innovative teaching methods, integrating technology, and advocating for increased resources can help overcome these obstacles and ensure all students receive a well-rounded music education. Inspiring the next generation of musicians. Fostering early passion. By introducing music education at a young age, we can ignite a lifelong love of music and inspire the next generation of talented musicians. Nurturing musical skills. Comprehensive music programs in schools help students develop technical proficiency, musical creativity, and the confidence to perform in front of audiences. Dedicated mentorship. Passionate music educators who serve as role models and mentors play a crucial role in guiding young musicians towards their full potential. Collaborative learning. Music education fosters teamwork, communication, and the ability to work together towards a common goal, preparing students for success in any field. The future of music education. As we look to the future, music education holds the promise of inspiring the next generation of musicians and artists. With innovative approaches and a focus on accessibility, the field is poised to empower students of all backgrounds to discover their creative passions.